Up here kayaking the Adirondack Mountains, New York State. Up here at the club I belong to. 6,000 acres. Can't really go up to the next series of lakes or rivers or flows because we're surrounded by rock cliff here. So Sandy's out here doing a great job. First time kayaking. Beautiful day up here. No bugs, no wind. Absolutely sunny out. And any day doing this is a great day instead of working. Finally taking a break from cutting firewood and taking care of the cows. Everybody have a great day. Adirondack Mountains, New York State. Having fun. Thanks for viewing.
You just love that, don't ya?